Hello everyone. So if you want to take amazing micro photos on your iPhone 14 Pro Max, first of all, open up your settings. Now you gotta scroll down to your camera tab. Here it is. And here right at the bottom, you are to find your macro control. Tap on it. And now this option is on. So how does it work? Let's check it out. Open up your camera. And if you will move closer to an object, right, you will see this yellow flower icon. Which means that our phone has automatically enabled our micro mode. So you can switch up to wide lens to take dramatic micro photos, or you can use a lot of zoom. Choose which the one is the best for you, right? And choose which mode can your camera comprehend. Try using the macro mode in good lighting conditions, because this really matters, and that's basically it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.